Try this delicious and easy recipe, perfect for your dinner. For this recipe, I will need 4 potatoes. I'll put the peeled in a pot. Then I will cover with water and let it cook on low heat for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to use a broccoli, and I'm going to cut them, just like in the video. Are you curious to see how this recipe will look? Stay until the end of this video. The result will impress you. With the broccolis cut, I will put it in a pan, add water, and cook for 5 minutes. After a while, I'm gonna take the broccoli out of the pot. Next, I'll use the cooked broccoli and chop it like this. In the meantime, tell me which city you watch us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Sunil Mliko from KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. With the broccolis cut, I'll reserve it. After the time to soften the potato, I will remove them from the pan and grate the potatoes. Stay until the end of this video. You will be impressed with the result and will want to do it often in your home. Grated potato, I'll reserve it for you soon. Now, in a pan with low heat, I will add olive oil, use in the amount you prefer. And add a chopped onion, meko, so that the onion fry well. And let it fry until golden brown. Then, in a bowl, I will add our grated potatoes, add the broccolis, which we cut earlier. I'll add an egg, add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add also 100 grams of grated mozzarella, then chives to taste. Then the onion that we fried previously. And finally, 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. I'm gonna mix it up real good. Tell me if you've ever made a recipe like this. I'd love to know your recipe. With our mixture in this consistency, I will use a little olive oil and make small portions with my hands. In a pan with parchment paper, I will add olive oil to taste, and spread so that the olive oil covers the entire pan. Next, I will put the portions we made earlier. I'll put some more olive oil on top of the portions. Now bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And our recipe is ready, and look how it turned out. You need to try it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for joining us here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.